Is 22nd Thursday, so I'm just saying goodbye to my hotel in Interlaken after staying here for 3 nights. So excellent hotel, Happy Inn Lodge. So definitely I will come back and stay here for next time, maybe in the summer, winter time. So with full of snow. So now I have a train at 10 o'clock from Interlaken West. So it is just 10 minutes walk. So I'm walking with my suitcase. So it is raining slightly, but it's fine. It is only 5-10 minutes walk. So I am saying final goodbye to my beautiful Taj Palace restaurant, Indian restaurant. So I think this is the residence, I'm not sure, but inside under ground floor is a saloon and a Thai restaurant, and this is bank, financial services. See, even after 20 years, Interlaken center, core Interlaken didn't change. It is almost remained same. The only thing is that Indian restaurant used to be small and the owner used to be different, like Nirmal from UP. But now he sold it or he vacated, and someone has put a big restaurant. So you can see the neighborhood close to my hostel. I have to go fast because it is raining. But I can't, stop recording these beautiful roads, buildings, houses in Interlaken. So one of the best. Square or crossroads, whatever we can say. See, so this right side goes to Centrum in Interlaken Ost, and also my hotel. So this is a beautiful one. So I have some, like there is a laundry that way I have to go, and there are some couple of Indian restaurants, also one pure vegetarian restaurant, but they are all expensive. Okay, just we have to avoid here and eat Subway or anything which is like 5 francs, 7 francs, 8 francs. So maybe under 10 francs, because even Indian restaurants it is very expensive. So, but one thing we can do, just we can order one portion lunch and we can pack for dinner, because they give more portion, even zira rice, curry, everything, it is sufficient for 2 people. So better if you are one person, just eat half of it and pack the rest off, and you can eat in the during dinner. So you can always heat it in oven, microwave available in the hostel, and eat it. So that's what I have done yesterday. So I saved like 15-20 francs by doing that. So I have packed zira rice, half roti, and half, not even half, curry, aloo matar curry. So I just heat it in the microwave in my Happy Inn Lodge, and it was sufficient for my dinner. Even zira rice, it was more than enough. So I am going towards Interlaken West, one of the most popular, beautiful train stations, because it's the location, world class spots. I am almost there. It is not even 10 minutes. You can see Hotel Bernarhof. So when we come with package, they put us in hotels like this. See the beautiful bus. Sorry. Excellent. It is going to Thun. I can also go to Zurich from Thun, but I take direct train. So there is a train at 10 o'clock. Just let me explain. So the train first, it goes to Bern. Actually the train goes to Berlin. It's a it is Germany train. ICE, so it is intercity train, is excellent. So I take the train and I change train at Bern, and from Bern I take excellent IC train, that is intercity train of Switzerland. So then I go to Zurich. So my check-in time in Zurich is 3 o'clock. So I have put my luggage in lockers, self-storage lockers in Zurich, and I want to visit Roman Sham and St. Gallen Appenzell, and then I come back. So that is my plan as of now. So I don't know, based on things like rain, time, and I will decide. I will change accordingly. So this is beautiful Interlaken West bus station, just adjacent to train station. So this is Switzerland. No need to walk. Just train station is that one, and this is the bus station, and this is a taxi rank. See how close it is. Excellent. I see a lot of Indians. I met some Indians. Yeah. No? Most of the Indians, Switzerland is the #1 tourist destination. Like, it is an expensive thing, but still prefer to come here and enjoy Swiss station. It is 9:47 a.m. My train is after 10. So the next train available is Interlaken Ost at 9:54. But I am looking for a train which is going to Berlin via Bern exactly after 10 o'clock. So I will just go and see the platform number or a display board. So already it is displayed in timetable. Like when we check pass app, Swiss app, so SBB app, so we can see the platform, including platform. They will display one day, not one day, 1 week in advance. So the platform never changes. So let me check my platform number to Bern. I'm just double checking, just in case if it's not updated in app, or just in case if they change the platform. So it is always better to double check. Reservation, rail travel center, and also information. So it works like 6:40 morning till 7 p.m. Monday to Saturday. So excellent service. So they're always helpful and ready. My favorite train, IC train. So it's going to Interlaken. It's going to Brienz via Interlaken Ost. So one of the best trains in the world. As far as comfort is concerned, as far as information display, punctuality is concerned. So they are best trains in the world. 10-4 ICE intercity train. It is a German train. So it is going to 10 o'clock 10-4 to Berlin, Ostbahnhof, means that is East train station. So you can see it will go to via Spiez, Thun, Bern, Basel, SBB. I have to get down at Bern and change a train. So you can see first 9 coaches are second class. Then after that buffet car in C sector, and then 3 first class coaches in D sector. So A, B, C, D. So I'm just waiting here in A sector. So it's a front engine. So front engine, front side. So I can get a seat easily, and it is just starting point from Interlaken Ost. So definitely can get a seat. So you can see the Interlaken West station. So excellent station. One of the most beautiful because of its the mountains, snow mountains, because of its location. It's all surrounded by 360 degree mountains. It is close to world-class spots, world-class tourist destinations like Schiltan, Wengen, Murren. So I'm just repeating again, sorry. So Jungfrau, Grindelwald, all world-class destinations. But the train is there, it is coming. So I'm just standing in sector A. So just behind the engine. So I will just go further. Yes, I want to avoid crowd and get a beautiful window seat for next 1 hour. You can see still here also they are displaying timetable. So excellent. So you can see timetable wherever we go. So I will just sit in this second class. So I should go fast. Yes, no problem. People are getting down here. So it will stop for some time. Let's go to Berlin. IC train, German. Going to Berlin via Bern. So I have to get down at Bern. Start it on time, 10:05. So you can see Interlaken West departure 10:05. It's going to Berlin. coach.
Yeah, chicken.
Keep luggage. So I have put my 2 bags here. So excellent space provided in the just in between the coach, middle of the coach. Space. It is full of. It is full raining. Can't see anything. Second stop after Interlaken West. Still raining.
Die 8 nach Zürich Hauptbahnhof, Zürich Flughafen, Romanshorn, Abfahrt um 11:02 Uhr auf Gleis.
Now it is 10:54. I have 8 minutes to change the train. So from Bern I have it Zurich from platform 2 at 11:02. So this is 3. I got down at platform 4. So you can see this is ICE train. DB Deutschbahn means German train. So this is platform 3 and that is platform 2. Very convenient. So you can see that train is going to Zurich. But I can't cross it. You can see do not cross the railway lines here. So I can cross it if another country, but not here. So I should not take that. No. So I have to go to platform 2. So see from here Geneva Airport train. So from that platform Zurich train. See how excellent is the connections. So we no need to wait more than 10 minutes. So now I am going to platform 2 from platform 3 and 4. So just have to take this escalator and then I have to go take that bridge and just go down with one more escalator there. So then I reach the train. See the beautiful train, you can see Zurich HB. HB means Hauptbahnhof, that means main train station, IC8. So it goes to Romanshorn. Romanshorn is the final stop, but Zurich is only 1 hour. But I have to go to Romanshorn, but I will put my luggage, store my luggage in Zurich and then I go because I can't sightsee, I can't visit places with my suitcase, heavy suitcase. So not heavy, but it is always not possible. So this is Bern station. So I have 2 minutes. I have to rush a train for next 1 hour. Is going to Romanshorn via Zurich. I have to go to Zurich after Bahnhof. That is main train station. So excellent. One of my favorite trains in Switzerland, in entire world. IC, Intercity in Switzerland. I can sit anywhere. There are so many places to sit and put my luggage. So I took the steps from downstairs here with a beautiful board. This is Berlin with a river and big trees and houses. But it is raining, so window is not clear, so we can't see the neighborhoods. Beautiful train journey. It is very quiet. So inside, because it is insulated by all double glasses. So I am enjoying my ride to Zurich from Bern. It's just 1 hour. But sky is not clear today. Not enough sunshine. Otherwise, Switzerland will look beautiful under the sun. Yeah, for kids in the train, in the first floor upper deck. See how beautiful the idea is. No, kids will just play, and we can sit, parents sit and watch. So it is very good idea to keep for kids to play. Excellent. central
Gute
Zurich.
Interregio 70 nach Luzern, Abfahrt 12:10 Uhr vom Gleis 6. Ladies and gentlemen, we are arriving in Zurich main station on platform 34. Please leave the train using right-hand doors when facing the direction of travel. This train continues to Zurich Airport, Winterthur and Romanshorn. Your next connection.
Zurich main station. It's called Hauptbahnhof. It's big. Got down from this beautiful train after traveling for 1 hour from Bern. So this is the train IC8. So it is going to Romanshorn. I have to go to Romanshorn, but I have to first store my luggage here. Then I will go to Romanshorn and St. Gallen, Appenzell. Then I go to my hostel. So you can see Flughafen. Flughafen means airport, and Winterthur, and then it goes to Romanshorn. So Zurich Flughafen, they are called Flughafen. So you can see Zurich IC8, Romanshorn. This is the kids playing area in the train. Excellent. So now I have to. మీరు ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.